Cleaning the bathroom is one of those jobs most people delay for as long as possible. Soap scum builds up on shower walls. Grout starts to darken. Bathtubs lose their shine. And after 10 minutes of scrubbing by hand, your back and knees start reminding you that you're not built for this kind of workout. That's exactly why cordless spin scrubbers have become so popular. They're designed to reduce effort. They cut cleaning time. And they make deep scrubbing feel much easier. In this video, I've researched and compared the 7 best cordless spin scrubbers for bathroom and shower cleaning on Amazon. I'll break down what each one offers, where it stands out, and who it's best for. By the end, you should have a clear idea of which model fits your home and your cleaning style. Let's get started. First up is the LABIGO LA1 Pro Electric Spin Scrubber. The LABIGO LA1 Pro focuses on strong, straightforward performance. It's powered by a motor that spins up to 400 RPM. That level of speed is solid for removing soap scum, tile buildup, and everyday bathroom grime. For tougher stains, it works even better if you let detergent sit for a few minutes before scrubbing. This model offers up to 90 minutes of cordless runtime after about 3.5 hours of charging. That's usually more than enough to clean a full bathroom or even multiple spaces without stopping. Because it's cordless, you can reach corners and tight spots without fighting with a power cord. One of its key strengths is versatility. It comes with 7 replaceable brush heads designed for different surfaces like tile, grout, bathtubs, stone, floors, and even cars. Switching heads lets you adapt the scrubber to different cleaning tasks. It also features a detachable and retractable metal extension rod. That makes it easier to clean high shower walls, ceiling corners, and low tub edges without bending or kneeling. If protecting your back matters, this feature makes a difference. Noise stays under 70 decibels, which is reasonable for a powered cleaning tool. Overall, the LABIGO LA1 Pro is a dependable all-around choice if you want balanced power, multiple brush options, and simple operation without extra digital features. Next is the Leebein Electric Spin Scrubber. Leebein stands out for versatility and smart charging features. It includes 8 replaceable brush heads. You get flat brushes for floors and walls, corner brushes for grout and edges, a sponge for windows, and even cloth options for polishing. This makes it suitable not only for bathrooms, but also kitchens, pools, and even car detailing. It uses USB-C fast charging and includes a battery-level display. After about 3 hours of charging, it delivers around 90 minutes of runtime. The battery display is helpful because you always know how much power remains. The handle is adjustable from 12 inches up to 54 inches. That wide range gives you flexibility. You can use it handheld for sinks and countertops, or fully extended for ceilings and tall shower walls. It offers 2 speed settings, 300 RPM for lighter tasks and 400 RPM for tougher grime. That flexibility helps when switching between glass and heavy buildup. Leebein also carries an IPX7 waterproof rating for the brush head area, meaning you can rinse it safely. Just avoid submerging the entire device. If you want multiple attachments, smart charging, and a wide extension range, Leebein is a strong contender. Now let's look at the Bomves Electric Spin Scrubber. Bomves focuses heavily on battery capacity and adjustability. It includes a 5,000 mAh battery, which is larger than many competitors. It charges in about 2 to 3 hours and provides up to 90 minutes of runtime. It features 3 adjustable lengths, 12 inches, 43 inches, and 54 inches. You can rotate and extend the handle easily or detach it completely for handheld use. This flexibility makes it especially helpful for users who want to avoid bending or kneeling. It comes with 8 replacement brush heads, suitable for bathrooms, kitchens, tile, grout, windows, and even vehicles. The bristles are designed to be firm enough for cleaning, but gentle enough to avoid scratching. Bomves includes 2 speed settings, 300 RPM and 400 RPM. It's sealed for humid environments, but like most models, you should not immerse the main body in water. If battery size and adjustable design are high on your priority list, Bomves is worth serious consideration. Next up is the YKYI Electric Spin Scrubber. This model adds smart technology to the mix. It features voice prompts that announce speed changes and low battery alerts. That hands-free feedback can be convenient while cleaning. It offers 3 speed levels, 280 RPM for delicate surfaces, 380 RPM for medium grime, and 440 RPM for heavy-duty cleaning. That 440 RPM top speed gives it slightly more power than many standard 400 RPM models. YKYI includes 8 brush heads, covering grout, corners, large flat surfaces, glass, and delicate finishes. It's built as a full cleaning kit rather than a single-purpose bathroom tool. The adjustable handle extends from roughly 36 inches to 43 inches. You can detach it for handheld cleaning when needed. It also includes an LED display showing battery level and speed setting in real time. With Type-C charging, it delivers about 90 minutes of runtime after a full charge. Rated IPX7 waterproof, it handles wet environments well, and the included hook and storage bag help keep everything organized. If you like digital displays, voice prompts, and slightly higher RPM power, YKYI stands out as one of the most feature-rich options. Now let's talk about the CLEANNINJA electric spin scrubber. CLEANNINJA aims for balance between runtime, usability, and comfort. It offers 2 speed settings, 300 RPM for lighter cleaning and 380 RPM for tougher grime. While 380 RPM is slightly lower than some competitors, it's still effective for everyday bathroom buildup. This model includes 7 replaceable brush heads for tubs, showers, tile, windows, and even car detailing. The variety gives you flexibility for multiple surfaces. The telescopic handle extends from 10 inches to 50 inches. That range makes it easy to clean ceilings or deep bathtubs without straining. One of its strengths is runtime. With a 2,500 mAh battery, it delivers up to 100 minutes of cleaning time, slightly longer than many 90-minute models. Charging takes about 2.5 hours via USB-C. It's rated IPX6 waterproof, which is still suitable for bathroom environments, and it includes a digital display and wall mount for convenient storage. If you want strong runtime with straightforward performance and comfortable handling, CLEANNINJA offers solid value. Now on to the NBONEBS electric spin scrubber, also branded under Litchfi. This one is built for power. It runs on a 25W motor and offers 2 speed levels, 400 RPM for daily cleaning and 480 RPM for deep cleaning. That 480 RPM top speed makes it one of the most powerful models in this lineup. It includes 6 detachable brush heads for curved surfaces, flat tile, grout lines, and windows. The bristles are made from durable polypropylene designed to scrub effectively without scratching. The aluminum handle extends from 14 inches to about 47 inches. Despite its power, the unit is relatively lightweight and manageable. Battery life is another strong point. With a 3,000 mAh battery, it can run up to 120 minutes after about 3.5 hours of charging. That's one of the longest run times here. Rated IPX7 waterproof, the brush heads can be rinsed safely, but avoid submerging the main body. If maximum RPM and long battery life matter most, NBONEBS delivers heavy-duty performance. Finally, we have the TUYU electric spin scrubber. TUYU combines high RPM performance with a clean digital interface. It offers 2 speeds, 350 RPM for regular cleaning and 450 RPM for tougher stains. That 450 RPM puts it near the top in terms of power. It includes 4 brush heads, a large flat brush, a corner brush, a smaller detail brush, and a pointed brush for tight gaps. While it includes fewer attachments than some models, it covers the essential cleaning tasks. The stainless steel extension rod adjusts from 26 inches to 45 inches, helping you clean high walls and low tubs comfortably. It features an LED digital display that clearly shows battery usage. It uses Type-C fast charging and carries an IPX7 waterproof rating. If you want strong RPM power with a simple brush setup and modern display features, TUYU is a solid option. Now, how do you choose the right one? If you want the highest RPM for tough grout, look at NBONEBS or TUYU. If you prefer smart features like voice prompts and displays, YKYI stands out. If long runtime matters most, NBONEBS and CLEANNINJA offer extended cleaning sessions. If you want the widest range of brush heads, Leebein and Bomves provide 8 attachments. If you want a balanced, straightforward option, LABIGO remains a dependable choice. Think about your cleaning routine. Do you deep clean once a week? Do you maintain surfaces lightly but often? Do you need extended reach? Do you prefer lighter weight? Match the tool to your real needs. Cordless spin scrubbers are designed to protect your back, reduce effort, and save time. The right one can turn an exhausting scrubbing session into a faster and more manageable task. Each of these 7 models brings something different to the table. There isn't one perfect option for everyone. The best choice depends on how much power you need, how long you clean at a time, and how many surface types you plan to tackle. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more research-based product comparisons that help you make smarter buying decisions. I'll see you in the next one.